This is my animation 1 week ago. You know, I've been procrastinating for a lot of years, telling myself I should be ready. I should be ready before I start. And that the stars would align somehow to give you a sign, to make you make a perfect result. I mean, you wanna meet the standards, this high quality, so that the future you would be very grateful because you make a perfect start. Because you think if you just work harder and make higher quality content, that people would flock to your video. Sure. You know what's different from you and the future you? Your age. Because you didn't grow, you didn't mature, you didn't learn, failing to realize that you and your future you is gonna be the same person. And then later complaining that how life is so hard, that life is unfair. Life has always been unfair. I hate it because I know how it feels. Now I'm not doing this because I'm somehow perfect and better than the next person. I would most likely fail if I were to be tested right now. But I started doing something. And maybe you should start doing something too. And be a little bit better than you are yesterday. Oh look, a frog! Isn't that the thumbnail? I didn't have that much footage because I didn't really plan on doing this week. This week could have been just like any other week. But it didn't. Hey! I don't want you to misinterpret this and think that all this progress is just from a week and that you should set this to your standard. Because I accumulated all this knowledge and data all these years. The only change, I started.